Most players walk right past replicators, but if you know how to use them, you'll always have the advantage over your opponents. Step 1. Just walk up to them. In the newer updates, you don't need to collect materials to use replicators anymore. Step 2. Check the crafting options. You can always craft ammo for the weapon you're holding, shield bats, medkits, and your teammates' banners if they're dead. Prioritize items that you are lacking. If all your teammates are alive, then go grab that extra shield bat for survivability, or ammo if you're running out. If you are a support legend, crafting banners will give you a mobile respawn beacon as well. Don't craft when enemies are nearby. You're locked in animation, so always clear the area or have a teammate cover you. Smart replicator use is one of the best habits to do that separates average squads from consistent winners. Start crafting ammo and tools in your next match, and you'll feel the difference the moment the bullets start flying.